This protocol allows us to acquire particle-scale data of granular soils using X-ray microtomography and develop an understanding of the micro-scale processes and mechanisms underlying the macroscopic behavior of granular materials. The main advantage of this technique is that it provides a full access to the particle-scale information of granular soils, including particle morphology, microstructure, breakage, displacement, and rotation within the deformation of granular materials.
This method can also be applied to the investigation of other types of stone-based natural or synthetic materials, such as rocks, soil-rock mixture, concrete, ceramics, asphalt, and even polymer composites.
Begin with design of the experiment well in advance as described in the text protocol. Determine test material, particle size, and sample initial porosity. To prepare a soil sample on the board, first add a small amount of silicone grease around the lateral surface of the top end of the base plate. Then, place a porous stone on its upper surface. Put a membrane around the lateral surface of the top end. Add a small amount of silicone grease on the contact surfaces between the two parts of the sample maker and place the sample maker on the base plate to allow the membrane to pass through it. Lock the sample maker. Create suction inside the sample maker through its nozzle using a vacuum pump.